Y'all already know about this, but my hair was just not tameable at all. It was tangled, full of tangles. It was dry. It was just, I don't know. I just didn't know what to do with it. But until I found out about this stuff, oh my God, was I sleeping up under a rock? Why y'all didn't tell me how this conditioner brings life into your hair? Look at my cotton pick. This. I don't work for the company, but baby, I just literally wet my hair with cold water, conditioned my hair with this stuff, let it sit for 30 minutes, rinsed it out. Listen, I don't even put heat on my hair, not even a blow dry, just rinsed it out. And this is what came out of this. What the silicone mix? Baby. And it smell, it's a strong smell, but it woke my hair up. It woke it up. Look at what the what the look at the body. Look at the body. It woke my hair up. I am super satisfied. I'm like, look at me looking all hot girl and all. Ladies, go get this stuff. I don't care if you have natural hair, relaxed hair, colored hair. You can even put this on your wigs, your lace front wigs. I know y'all already know this, but baby, I guess I've been sleeping up under a rock because nobody told me this stuff worked. Now, in order for it to look like this, let it stay in your hair for about 30 minutes. If you have lace front wigs, put this conditioner on there. Just rinse it out, rinse your wig out, put the conditioner on it, let it stay in all night long. Rinse it out in the morning with only cold water and let it air dry. Baby, y'all talking about beautiful, beautiful, even your own hair. 30 minutes. Put a cap on your head, let it sit for 30 minutes, rinse it out with cold water, and this what you get. And you can curl your hair, you can put heat or whatever, but do a conditioner with it. Deep condition, baby. I'm loving this sexy look. What? Look at what the my hair never looked like this. Never. Yes. Check it out. Go get this conditioner now. Now. Until next time. Toodaloo.